Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the disadvantages of wealthsimple. Before we get started, I want to be clear that I'm not trying to bash wealthsimple. I think it's a great company that offers a lot of value to its users. However, it's important to be aware of the disadvantages of any investment platform before you sign up. So, with that said, let's get started. What is wealthsimple? Wealthsimple is a Canadian financial technology company that offers a variety of investment products and services. It was founded in 2014 and has quickly grown to become one of the most popular investment platforms in Canada. Wealthsimple offers a number of different investment products, including Wealthsimple Invest. This is Wealthsimple's core investment product. It's a robo-advisor that automatically invests your money in a diversified portfolio of ETFs based on your risk tolerance. Wealthsimple Trade. This is Wealthsimple's brokerage platform. It allows you to buy and sell individual stocks and ETFs. Wealthsimple Cash. This is Wealthsimple's banking platform. It allows you to open a high-interest savings account and get a debit card. Wealthsimple has a number of advantages, including low fees. Wealthsimple's fees are generally lower than those of traditional investment platforms. Easy to use. Wealthsimple's platform is very easy to use, even for beginners. Diversified portfolios. Wealthsimple's robo-advisor automatically invests your money in a diversified portfolio of ETFs, which helps to reduce your risk. However, Wealthsimple also has some disadvantages. Disadvantages of Wealthsimple. 1. Limited investment options. Wealthsimple's investment options are limited to ETFs. This means that you can't invest in individual stocks or bonds. This can be a disadvantage if you're looking for more control over your investments. 2. High fees for small accounts. Wealthsimple's fees are based on the size of your account. This means that if you have a small account, you'll pay a higher percentage in fees. 3. Limited customer service. Wealthsimple's customer service is not as good as that of some other investment platforms. This can be a disadvantage if you need help with your account. 4. Not suitable for everyone. Wealthsimple is not a good choice for everyone. It's best suited for investors who are looking for a simple and low-cost way to invest their money. If you're looking for more control over your investments or if you need more personalized advice, then Wealthsimple may not be the right choice for you. Wealthsimple is a great investment platform for many people. However, it's important to be aware of its disadvantages before you sign up. If you're considering using Wealthsimple, I recommend that you do your research and weigh the advantages and disadvantages carefully. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you learn more about the disadvantages of Wealthsimple. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance. See you next time.